The general contractor path can quickly split into many paths of its own. That's because, as your book's general contractor, it's up to you to find an editor, a designer, a publisher, a printer, or hire someone who can find and coordinate the various vendors for you. This is good because you get to make all of the decisions. You can shop around for vendors that are the best fit for your book and have the most reasonable price. But with all of that publishing control comes a lot of responsibility. Besides the time it takes to find vendors, you'll also be coordinating the entire publishing process so that your book comes together smoothly. And because most vendors will be independent of each other, this path can become pricey. So if you're an author who wants control but needs some help creating the finished product and doesn't mind spending a little extra money, the general contractor path might be your best choice. Check out the other publishing paths before deciding which is right for you.